Hey folks, the drive on the left side. Finally I tinkered the first version. It was so important because I can slowly but surely take care over the top back parts. You see the big holes here? Maybe I customize the rooms. Anyway, that's version 1. I has the same shape like the drive before, but this time with inner parts. On this side, it is associated with a store area, for now fairly empty, and that is the way inside. All drive endpoints have a way to visit and the energy pipe takes this way. That is a droppable energy converter. On this side are gates, and in an emergency case we can dispose the objects. It's some kind of security. We also can drop the drive objects that you see if you look at the ship from outside. But I'm not sure, maybe too much. The windows are also protected with a simple gate, and the energy pipe take after the converter this future way. After the elevator, we are in the energy adapter room. The right drive needs later an entrance. I'm not yet sure where, but let's follow the energy. More down here, another energy dude. If you folks have a name for that, write below in the comments. But that is something where we can disconnect in order we pushing the parts out. And the last stop, or the beginning, is at the bottom. It is a start energy generator. It is also droppable, and this behind also. In total I think we have at now enough energy pipes, converter, adapter and generators. Then thanks so much for watching, drop a like and a comment if you want to help me out, and see you next time.